Hello everyone! Welcome to Unit 10, Not My Cup of Tea. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to use would like, would prefer, and would rather. First of all, let's remember that would is a modal verb and should always be used with another verb. This time we are using it with verbs related to preferences. The first one is would like. This is a more polite way of saying I want. How do we use it? With affirmative sentences, we use it like this: subject, would like, and noun. For example, I'd like a slice of cake, please. We can also use it with a verb, like this: subject, would like, to, and the base form of the verb. For example, I would like to go on a vacation. For questions, we use it like this: would plus subject plus like plus noun, or to plus the base form of the verb. For example, would you like an apple? Or would you like to go swimming next week? Finally, for negative sentences, we use subject, would not or wouldn't like, plus a noun, like she wouldn't like an expensive bag. We can also use it with a verb, with subject, would not, wouldn't like, to, and the base form of the verb. For example, you wouldn't like to make him angry. Notice that we can use contractions when using would. You can say I'd like, you'd like, he'd like, she'd like, it'd like, we'd like, they'd like. Something you should take into account is that you can use this expression to talk about actions or nouns. For example, I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like my coffee with milk, please. When using it with nouns, it mostly refers to answers to requests and petitions, and when we use it with verbs, it refers to actions we would like to do in a short future. Let's take a look at this. What can I get you this evening? I'd like this steak, please. Excellent. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a glass of red wine, please. Now, is it the same saying would like to do you like? Or I would like to I like? The answer is no. Let's compare. Would like is to make a polite request or petition. For example, would you like some chocolate? You're offering some chocolate. Would you like some rice? You're offering rice. I'd like an orange, please. It means, can I have an orange? When we use do you like, it's because we're asking about general preferences. For example, do you like chocolate? You're asking about likes in general. Do you like rice? Asking about preferences in general. I like oranges. I like oranges in general. Take a look at this and complete the sentences using would like or do you like. Now, let's talk about would like's first cousin, would prefer. First of all, prefer is a verb used to talk about general preferences or when you talk about liking something over another thing. It is used followed by a verb in gerund or a verb in infinitive. For example, I prefer buying online or I prefer to buy online. The first one is more commonly used. Now, when you want to express your preference for one thing over another one, you should say, I prefer tea to coffee. That is, subject, prefer, noun, to, and the other noun. You can also use it with verbs, like this: I prefer going to the cinema to staying at home. Now, when we combine would and prefer, the use of this verb changes a little bit. Most of the time it is used with two subjects. Let's see. I would prefer her to talk to me. I would prefer you not to smoke in here. The structure for these types of sentences is as follows. Subject 1, plus would prefer plus subject to, which is an object pronoun, plus to plus verb. For example, she would prefer him to do the dishes. They would prefer us not to speak so loud. When we use would prefer to express a personal preference over another, you add the particle rather than, like this. I would prefer to swim rather than run. She would prefer to dance rather than eat. We can also use rather with would, like this. I would rather go out. I would rather eat ice cream. We can use the contraction and say, I'd rather eat ice cream. How do we form these type of sentences? We use subject, would, rather, the verb, and the complement, like the sentences we used before. Let's practice. Read the sentences and remake them using would rather. Now you know how to express preferences and how to express you like one thing over another. Go ahead and keep practicing with the exercises. Bye!